Was your application on ShareASale rejected? I know it is so hard to see your application keep getting rejected on ShareASale. No worries. Watch this video till the end. I will tell you my story about getting approved on this affiliate network. I applied at least 5 times on ShareASale. They all got rejected. Then I came up with a good idea. Finally, I could become a member in ShareASale. Now let's see my method. ShareASale is a part of Avin. This website has some of the most well-known and premium affiliate programs. First, click the link in the description section of this video. Fill out the form by creating a username and password and enter your country name. Then go to the second step. This step is crucial. I applied multiple times and all my application got rejected. The reason was my website because it did not have enough traffic. For my final application, I put my YouTube channel here. Finally, my application was approved. If you are in the same situation, please add your YouTube channel here. Most likely it will get approved. Bear in mind that your channel should not be empty or have no value. Make sure to select all the no options for these questions, unless you should say yes. In this step, add your contact information. Write about the program description here. In the HTTPS question, you should select no, I don't own the domain name. Read the user's terms of agreement and complete the sign-up. Please do not forget to verify your email address. Once your email address is verified, in 5 to 7 business days, you will see your application result in your email box. If it takes longer, you should contact them. I did not receive any email more than 7 days after my application. I contacted them and my application got approved. That's it for today's video. Let me know if you have any question.